Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload images to Microsoft Copilot and then asking it questions about that picture. So first of all, you will have to open up Microsoft Copilot. Just click on it. Now once you're here, you have to click on this button right here, add an image button, and click on upload from this device. Now I have a picture right here, for example the speedboat right here. Now click on open. Now the picture has been uploaded. I'm just gonna ask it, what is the object in the picture? Enter. So here it responded to me. The object in the picture is a speedboat. It's a colorful vessel swiftly cutting the water, creating splashes and waves, and so on and so forth. Now you can do the same with other images as well. Just upload your images and ask Copilot different questions about that image, and Copilot will answer those questions. So that's for the chat, and that's how you can upload images to Copilot. If you guys liked it, thanks for watching. Bye.